today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a piggy bank. So actually not make a piggy bank, but like redo a piggy bank and make it look super cute. So everyone needs a piggy bank. If you want to see how to transform a piggy bank, make it look cute, stick around. Channel. It is Ashleigh here, and whoa, I forgot to say, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button. If you're new, welcome, and if you haven't, click on that notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. Now we're back to what I was talking about. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to redo a piggy bank from the Dollar Tree, or a bank from the Dollar Tree, farmhouse styled, shabby chic, whatever. I'm gonna be showing you how to do it in this video today. $1. That's all I spent, was $1. Actually, no, I didn't spend just $1. I spent maybe $1. I did spend $1, but if you don't have this stuff, like if you don't already have the burlap and stuff, of course, it's gonna be more than $1. But the burlap is from the Dollar Tree, so that does cost $1. So this would be a maximum total of $2. $2 if you don't have paint. If you don't even have paint, you can go to Walmart and buy paint for 50 cents. So $2.50, $3. Budget friendly. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I redid this piggy bank. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. The main materials you're going to need are a money bank, paint of your choice, and burlap ribbon. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is disassemble this bank. Now, when you're removing the glass, they do have it glued at the top just a little bit. So you just want to be careful when you're taking it out that you don't break your glass, because we all know the Dollar Tree glass is very thin. The next step that I'm going to do, of course, is paint this piece, and I did 2 coats of paint. Now we are going to cover up the money in the back with our burlap, and I'm going to start to cut the burlap into strips. So once we have our back finished, I'm just going to wipe off the glass and then add it back to the frame. Now when you're adding it back to the frame, again, you want to be careful, and also they do have grooves in the inside, so all you have to do is just stick the glass back into the grooves. You can use your hot glue gun to glue it in place, or you can just keep it into the grooves, because once you put it in there, it's not going to come out. All right, so after I put the back on, I discovered that I didn't want it to just be all just plain burlap. So I'm just adding this extra burlap ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree that has the lace in the middle to the middle section of our back. Now, just to add a little bit more character, you guys know I love to distress things, so I'm just going to do a light distressing on the edges of this piece. All right, and that is it. All finished. Super simple and an easy way to transform this bank that you can put anywhere in your house. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.